Hey guys, welcome to my channel Coding Tricks, and in this session we will learn about the gallery control in Power Apps. And in the previous session we had learned about the edit form of Power Apps. If you want to learn about the edit form in Power Apps, then please watch my previous videos. And in this session we will discuss what the gallery control in Power Apps, what are the key properties of Power Apps gallery control, and how we can use it in a simple way. And also I will show you how we can display the live data in a gallery control. Let's start. The Power Apps Gallery control is a type of control that can display a set of records from a data source, and in the gallery, each record hold multiple type of data. Also, it can contain other controls. Suppose you are using a gallery control to display multiple cells with each item showing product name, price, and product quantity for each product. Within the gallery control, each and every data field appears in a separate control. You can configure those Power Apps controls in its template. Inside the gallery, the template appears as the first item, like on the left edge of a gallery control in horizontal landscape orientation, and at the top of a gallery control in vertical portrait orientation. And if you will modify anything in the template, then the whole gallery will reflect. Okay, now I would like to discuss about the Power Apps Gallery control properties. So it has few properties. So let's discuss one by one. So before discussing the Power Apps gallery control properties, I would like to add one gallery control in my screen, and then we will discuss about the properties. So for adding the gallery control, what we need to do, we need to click on the insert option, and from here we need to select the vertical gallery. Yeah, so my gallery is has been added in the screen. So yes, yeah. So here you can see the gallery has been added. So let's discuss about its property. So the gallery control has few properties like items, default, all items, border color, delay, item loading. So we will discuss all about these properties one by one. So firstly, I would like to talk about the items. So here you can see the item property of gallery control. So the item property of a gallery control, uh, it specify the source of data that appear in a control, like a list, a gallery, or a chart. Okay, and next property is default property. So the default property is like a when the app start up, it specifies the record from the data source to be selected in the gallery. And also it has one additional property, which is all items. So the all items is defined all items in the gallery, including the additional control values that are a part of the gallery's template. And it has one more property, which is a border color. So the border color is like it provide the color of controls borders. So uh, Here you can see one more property is also available, which is delay item loading. So the delay item loading is specifies the delay loading of items until after the screen first uh, loads. And here you can see one more property is also available, which is display mode. So display mode is defined whether the controls allows user input or only displays data, or is disabled. And the next property is fill. So the fill is specifies the background color of control. So like if we want to change the background color of any gallery, so using the fill property we can change the background color of gallery. So like if you want to change the color from white to green, from white to black, so we can change the background color using the fill property. And also the next property is item accessible label. So the item accessible label of it define the label of each gallery item. For screen readers it should describe what each item is. And in the gallery control, one more important property is also available, which is loading spinner color. So the loading spinner color is specifies the fill color of the loading spinner. Default is set to border color. And the next property is loading spinner. So it is a very important property of the gallery control. So the loading spinner is like when it is none, then the spinner will not be shown. And when the control or data then the spinner will be shown when a render pass occurs that result in a visible empty rows. And our next property is navigation step. Here you can see, so the navigation step is like if you will set the value as true, then the gallery scrolls so far, and the user selected the navigation arrow and either end of that gallery. Yep, so these all about the properties of the gallery control. So now I will show you like how we can display the live data in a gallery control. So to display the live data of a gallery control, what we need to do, we need to select the gallery control from here, and then we can add the data source. We can add the data source from the data source option here. So I'm using the SharePoint list, which name is employee reg. Here you can see. And also we can change the layout of the gallery as well. So if you want to change the layout of gallery, so here you can see the layout option is also available. So by selecting the layout option, here you can see there are lots of option available. Like if you want to select the blank template, so you can select the blank. If you want to select only title, and there here if you want to select the title and subtitle, so you can select the template as per your need from here. So I am selecting the title, subtitle and body template. Yep, so you can see when I have selected the title, subtitle and body layout, then our gallery layout has been already changed. And now also you can change the wrap count. So like here you can see there are only one row is available. There are one column is available in a gallery. If you want to make from 1 to 2 column, then you need to put the value inside the wrap count from 1 to 2. Yep, so here you can see our layout has been changed from 1 to 2. Okay, so here you can see the name is John, email ID is John at abc.com, position is developer. So if you want to add a label of uh, if you want to add the label, then you can add the label as well. So like if you want to add the label, so from here you can add the label, select the gallery template, and then click on the insert button and add the label. Yep. Oh, it's salary. Increase the gallery size. Yeah. uh, Label, name, make it bold. Yeah, so you can add the label as well. If you want to add the label, so you can add the label from here. Yeah. mm, okay, name, salary, email, and designation. Name, email, position, designation, and salary. So here you can see I have added the labels respected to the items. It's like name John, email John at abc.com, designation is developer, salary is $50. So like if you want to change the template, if you want to change the template color, so then how you can change the template color, I would say. So select the template and click on the property, go to the properties section and search the template fill, and here you need to type you need to type mm, switch this item dot title John, make the color is red, Sanjay, and another name is Andrew. The color is, so here you can see, one second, J, okay, yeah. So here you can see I have changed the gallery, sorry, template color as well as respected the name. So like if name is John, so I have changed the color name. Sorry, I have changed the color from white to red. And if the name is Andrew, so I have made the violet blue. And if name is Sanjay, so I have make it green. So here you can see how we can add the gallery control in the screen, and how and what the gallery control properties is, and how, like if we want to change the if we want to change the gallery template color, how and then how we can change the gallery template color, and if you want to add the label, so how we can add the labels. We have covered all the topics in this session, and in our next session we will see like how we can add, update and delete the items in a in a gallery controls. So so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are keen to learn more about Power Apps, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload a new video for Power Apps. Thank you so much. Thanks again. See you in the next session. Bye bye.